Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Web Mastery. In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create AI-generated videos like this for free in just minutes. Before we dive into today's video, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share this video. Now, back to the business of the day. First, we need our news content. But how do we get it? You can check Google News and you will get a lot of news to choose from. But for the sake of this video, I will ask ChatGPT to generate a news article about marketing. Log into ChatGPT and write your prompt. I'm going to ask ChatGPT to generate a news article about marketing. Now guys, we have our script generated by ChatGPT. Now let's go to the site where we can generate our video. Go to Google and type Virdo Wondershare. Then click on the first link. You can see this is our dashboard. On the dashboard, you can find more AI tools like Video Translate, Talking Photo, Text-to-Speech, and AI Video. Now let's scroll down. You can see a lot of avatars here to choose from. Select the one you want. I am going to choose John. Click on Create Video, and our video editor will open. Now the first thing to do is to change our background. You can select from the list of backgrounds Virdo is providing, or you can upload your image from your computer. I already generated an image using bing.com, so if you want to know how to generate free images like this, please watch this video. Wow, this is nice. Now let's position our avatar in a nice place. You can do this by dragging and dropping the avatar to the place you want, or just use the position tool. Now let's go back to ChatGPT and copy our news. For the sake of this video tutorial, I will copy only part of the news ChatGPT generated. After copying, paste it here to generate your video. Now, let's play our video and see how it looks and sounds.
Good evening. This is your Marketing Minute. I'm your host, bringing you the latest updates in the world of marketing. Let's dive right in.
We need to add background music to this video. Just click on Music and choose from the list of music provided here. Decrease the volume of your music so that your viewers can hear your voice clearly. Now let's play the video again.
In a surprising turn of events, a recent study conducted...
You can see that our avatar is motionless. He is not moving or talking. Don't worry about that. You will see him in motion after you export your video. Remember, you can choose your preferred language and accent for your avatar. Now, if you're satisfied with your video, just click on Export to export your video. This may take some time depending on the length of your video. Congratulations, guys. Our video has been exported successfully. Now let's download it. You can first review it, and if you're satisfied with it, click on Download to download the video to your computer.
Good evening, this is your Marketing Minute. I'm your host, bringing you the latest updates in the world of marketing. Let's dive right in a surprising turn of events. A recent study conducted by leading market research firm reveals that influencer marketing is on the rise. Despite concerns about authenticity, consumers are increasingly trusting influencers' recommendations, leading to a significant boost in sales for brands across various industries.
You can create videos like this for free in minutes for your YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel, like the video, leave a comment, and share this video to others. Stay tuned for more content from Easy Web Mastery. Thank you for watching.